Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. This quiz contains the basic operations, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dance and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 18, B is 90, C is 360 and D is 720. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve the given expression. The rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so first step is you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number two is you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We will go left to right in our expression and find out addition and subtraction. If addition is coming first, so we have to solve the addition first. And if subtraction is coming first, so we have to solve the subtraction first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. We will write given expression here. And now, first of all, we have to solve according to the rules bracket first. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket. So we will skip this step. Now, step number two is we have to solve the exponent part or power of number. So we will solve this one. What we will do, we will multiply. First, we will solve this one. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. Multiply by this part, we will write right now as it is. And here we will give the reference like 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. Okay. Now, step number 2 is we have to solve this part now. So, what we will do, 9 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which means that you have to multiply 2 3 times. So, what we will do, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So it means that 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. We will write 8. And this part we will write now as it is. And here we will give the reference 2 raised to power 3 equals to 8. Now we have to solve all exponent part in this expression. Now we will go division and multiplication. So what we will do here in this expression, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So first we have this multiplication, which is 9 multiplied by 2. So we will multiply both of them. 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. 72 multiplied by 5, we will write as it is, and divided by 4, we will write as it is. So now we will multiply 9 multiplied by 8 and get the answer is 72. And multiply by 5 and divided by 4, we will write as it is here. And give the reference here. 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72. Now we have solved this one. And now we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. Here we have this multiplication. We will solve this multiplication. So what we will multiply 72 72 multiplied by 5 equals to 360. So we will multiply 360 divided by 4. We will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 72 multiplied by 5 equals to 360. Now we have here two terms which are basically 360 divided by 4. So we will divide this terms which is equal to 4 divided by 0, 0 and 4 9 the 36. So 9. The answer of the given expression is 90. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.